So Wholesale Supplies Plus recently just had a 20% off site-wide sale, and I jumped on that sucker. They're really good for having their 25% off sales on different departments, you know, and category groups within the site. They're good about that. But when they had a 20% off site-wide sale, I said, yes, please. So I went a little cray-cray. I didn't even open this yet. It just came in yesterday. And I have to say, people complain sometimes about Wholesale Supplies Plus with their customer service and or delivery times or whatnot. You know, there's complaints out there. There's also a whole bunch of good reviews with Wholesale Supplies Plus. I personally have never had a problem with them. So this came in 1 week, and this is a really large order. This was multiple hundreds of doll hairs. So let's take a look at what we got here. I thought I would bring you guys along. Here's my invoice, or my packing slip rather. Yep. Okay, perfect. Let's see what we got. I love doing unboxings. All right. Eucalyptus leaf, I needed some of that. Normally I would go to my, I have an herb store, a health food store, but it's not really very close to where I live. It's a pretty decent drive because I live in the country. So whatever, I got some eucalyptus leaf from them, no big deal. I also got some jasmine flowers. Let's see what else we got. We got some kupawaku, if that's how you say it. I don't even know how to say it. Correct me if I'm wrong. Just a little sample of it. That's it, just to try that. I got some frankincense powder. I'm going to be making heavy use of that. And we've got some glycerol caprolate caprate, decoglucoside, and sodium lauryl lactylate. That's a blend. I don't normally purchase blends. I don't really care for using blends. I like to formulate, you know, using the properties and the ASM values. Now that I have learned how to do that with the ASM, that's how I formulate going forward. This is probably an EO. Nope. Oh, yes, it is. That is some black pepper essential oil. I don't normally get essential oils from here. I usually go to New Directions for my EOs. But again, 20% off site-wide. I took full advantage and got a boatload of things that I've been meaning to get anyways. I have some black pepper essential oil. I already have some. But I'm running very low. I also got some disodium cocoa ampho diacetate. So some nice surfactants here. Love playing with the surfactants. Some carrot seed oil because I ran out. All I have left is pumpkin seed, so I got a small thing of that. Some daikon seed, which is radish extract. Here's some more. I got some rosemary extract, really good antioxidant. Combine that with your vitamin E, very good. Another carrot seed, so I got 2 of each of those. Let's see, we got some juniper berries. Let me put this butter over here. More frankincense powder. This is a weird angle for me, you guys. I have like 4 different, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I have 4 different camera angles now. So this is just a new one. Another eucalyptus leaf because I, did 2 or 3 of each one. I got some Sepamax Zen. So that's a thickener. Another one of those. Like I said, I got 2 or 3 or even 4 of the same items because I wanted a bunch. I got some magnesium stearate. I got some lauramine oxide, another surfactant. And some shea olein. More of the Kupuwaku, however you say that name, butter. So I see that they just mixed things all throughout this. Takumu butter. Another one. Another one. Another magnesium stearate. Another juniper berry. Another magnesium stearate. Another eucalyptus leaf. I'm going to put this sucker to use, let me tell you. I have a bunch of things coming up using my overhead stirrer with my dropping funnel. Some more juniper berries. Some Montanov. It's an emulsifier. Glycol distearate. It's a pearlizing agent. Sodium gluconate. Myristil, myristate. Some more of that. Some Ridamulse. I like that they left the Make Your Own .buzz label on there to let me know that that's from that company. Because as you all know, Wholesale Supplies Plus has bought up pretty much every small mom and pop little operation that there is. They've bought them all up. Here's some Verisoft. Move my box over, I'm running out of room. So here's their emulsifying wax, soft and silky. I've never used this before. I wanted to try it out. There's a couple recipes that are going to be using this. Like I said, I've never tried it before. It's cetyl alcohol and cetyreth 20. It's a combination of both of those things. So looking forward to trying that out. Some stearyl alcohol. Getting to the bottom, you guys. More juniper berries. And we got some Muro butter. Again, like that they kept the Make Your Own .buzz on there. I don't know if they're going to continue to do that, but I'm appreciating that they're doing it, at least for this order anyhow. So I know which company that's coming from. And then we've got some Olivem 1000 because I'm just about out. Wow, I think that's it. We've reached the bottom of the box here. All right, so there's my haul, you guys. Let's see, can you see? Let's see, let's take this off of here, actually. I'll take it off of the tripod so you guys can see. That is quite a haul. All right. That's going to do it, you guys. Look at the facility. Yay. All my lights are all over the place. Anyhow, that's it. Stop being goofy. Okay. Just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing from Wholesale Supplies Plus. Today and tomorrow is Prime Day on Amazon, if you guys didn't already know that. So go over there and get yourself some stuff. I placed another huge order. I've had my shopping cart full for like probably the past 3 to 4 weeks. So I couldn't wait for this morning. As soon as I woke up, it was like 6 o'clock this morning. I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and click on the checkout there. And a lot of the things that I had in my cart did go down in price because of Prime Day. So get yourselves over there today or tomorrow. All right, that's going to do it for this little quick video on the unboxing. All right, see you guys.